This is a 1969 Dodge Super Bee with the 383 in it. Looks all original. We just did a complete exhaust system, front to back, with the H pipe in there, come right off the factory manifolds, nice and clean. It's all stock up there on the engine, looks like. Put some Walker Super Turbos on there, little old school mufflers. And give it a little mellow-tone sound. Try to contain the thump on this big old 383. Let's see what it sounds like. These old big blocks were always kind of tough to get the sound just right. Sounding pretty good.